All right, we're really having some fun today. You can see the temporary stairs we've been going up and down on for the last few months. But today we're going to glue the log stairs together. And this has been a huge amount of work, and everybody's laughing and saying, is it really worth it, Kent? Hey, Vino, I'm trying to film here. Quit making so much noise. Check out how we're getting ready to glue these stairs together. Originally, we wanted to build them upstairs and slide them into place, but we just didn't have the room. So we dropped this inner stringer in place. We've set all the treads in place. We've temporarily positioned them with framing from underneath. Now we're going to bring the outside stringer down and dry fit everything before we apply the glue. The fact that these stairs are made out of cedar really make doing this manageable. If these were made out of fir, I don't know how we would handle them. But look, Vino and Jerson are carrying this outer stringer down these temporary stairs, and we're going to drop it down here on the landing and then check the fit of all the other treads. And then we got to take it apart, apply the glue, and do it all over again. So we have all the treads lined up to this outer stringer. Everything looks good. Now we're going to start pulling the stringers out on the end, put glue in it, and then we'll come back and start up at the top and start working one tread in at a time as we lightly start bringing these stringers together. Are we having fun yet or what? Well, of course, Jerson's up there. He just wants to do a documentary himself on the building of these stairs. He's the one that thinks I'm spending too much time here.
Throw him under the bus real quick.
We've only got 30 minutes to work with this glue, so we've already glued those in, and now we've got glue in all these stringers. We're going to have to try to use multiple hands to work this outside stringer into those treads. Okay, we're using wedges at the top to move it over. And coming down the tread line, we're gradually tapping that stringer in as we get closer to the bottom. We've only got about 10 more minutes of working time before this glue starts to tack up. Well, we had to bring out the big hammer. And after going up and down that outside stringer and tapping it in, we were able to get a really tight fit on the treads. And look here, we used a ratchet strap in the center to keep these stairs tight together while the glue dries. What do you guys think now? Was it worth it?
Perfect fit.
Take a look at that. Jerson gets the first trip up the stairs, but notice, no shoes, man, no shoes.